Find the right astrology sign. When you are looking for someone, you can't always rely on your intuitions. Astrology can help you find the perfect soulmate. Do you get along more with a Libra? Did a Leo ever treated you good? Did a Scorpio ever cheat on you? There are fortune tellers who uses astrology to help you find the best match for you. If you still feel comfortable using your instincts or your friends for advice, don't think too deeply about astrology. Start with astrology websites where you can fill in your birthday, and you can have fun learning about what they say about your star. Learn from past relationships. Whenever there is a breakup in a relationship, there is always a lesson to learn. However, many people overlook these lessons and just jump into another relationship asking why a similar thing keeps happening. Going straight into a new relationship after a recent breakup is not advisable and can seriously affect you. Whenever you do this, it is a sign that you've not learned from your mistake, you are only about to make another one. For an average person, it takes up to 2 years to recover from a broken serious relationship. This period is meant to re-evaluate where things went wrong. Do not settle for less. You will never get to find a perfect soulmate if you are the type that settles for less. Most times you feel lonely and single, but it is better to have those feelings than to get involved with the wrong person. Most of the time, we get tired of searching for our perfect soulmate and just settle for the available best person. Whenever this happens, and you settle for the available best person, you may eventually lose and not get the chance to meet your soulmate. Do not lose your opportunity by settling for the next best thing. Be sure about what you need and who you need and stick to it. Find yourself before finding a soulmate. Before you start searching for that exceptional person, you need to first check yourself and fill any voids that you have. Do not go into a relationship and expect your soulmate to fill that void in you. Always try to check for what is missing in you before getting into that relationship. You should be a complete person from the start, do not wait for a person to complete you. Deal with yourself first before you begin your search for a soulmate. Visit a therapist, they can help you with whatever problem you are facing. It is not advisable to walk into a relationship when you still have some things to fix in your life. Communication is the key. If you want to create a long-lasting and loving relationship, you must possess this skill. Many people think they are expert when it comes to communication, but when it comes to intimate relationship, they don't know to communicate. Figure out how to communicate when you are trapped, passionate and emotional. Talk to people about your feelings, the way you want things, and always try to make your point. Get over a broken relationship. After a recent breakup, you might go through a traumatic experience that drains you emotionally and physically. When this happens, take a little time trying to get yourself fixed, get your mind straight and repair yourself emotionally and physically. This process is very important because to move forward you must first fix yourself and look good on the inside. If this is successfully done, then you can make a move to get a perfect soulmate. Don't move with the wrong friends and find the right ones. A large number of us don't understand that the way we adapt to being single can really hurt our chances of finding a new partner. After we get hurt by someone, we then surround ourselves with friends who act as our protectors and comforters so that new people cannot reach us. Your friends are very important to you, but at the same time, you must be careful of the ones you choose because they might block new people from associating with you. Don't be overprotected. Start all over. After a time of grieving your loss, you need to stop and concentrate on finding new joy. Abstain from going into a relationship with anyone immediately because what happened in the previous relationship might repeat itself. There is a better chance of finding a perfect soulmate when you actually stop looking for one. This might sound strange, but it's the truth. It is obviously better to look for social situations where dating is not included, for example, going to dance classes, partaking in events or any event that involves a lot of people. During this process, you can be recommended to someone even if you don't meet the person directly. Learn to love yourself. Loving another person will be very difficult unless you love yourself first. This is very important. If you don't love yourself, you will be inviting a lot of insecurities into your relationship. Likewise, you may not feel loved by another person if you don't love yourself. We as a whole have our own issues. They might be as a result of our wrong past relationship or wrong upbringing, however that doesn't have to be permanent. We all can make the decision and move on from our past experiences. You have an opportunity to move forward in life and learn how to love yourself. A soulmate can help you fulfill your life. Even after finding your soulmate, you should know that they will not make all your troubles go away instantly. When you have discovered your perfect partner, you can still face some issues in life. Don't expect life to be all good because you've found your soulmate. Your soulmate is there with you as a team to handle all obstacles that come your way and help you conquer every problem you may face. After you've found your soulmate, there will be issues along the way, but if there is a strong bond between you two, you can easily overcome all problems. Finding someone perfect for you and can be with for life requires a lot of patience. The process involved can take a lot of time and patience. It involves you knowing what matters, the right place to look, and working together with the person you found. Once you've found your soulmate, you need to work together to make the bond stronger. Learn the process involved in finding your soulmate and be sure to find the right person for you.